Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to extract numbers from data quickly and automatically in Excel. Here I have two columns, one with the original data and the other for extracted numbers. In the first cell of the extracted numbers column, simply type the number that appears in your original data. Now we'll use a super handy feature called Flash Fill. Flash Fill automatically recognizes patterns in your data. After typing the first number, just press Ctrl E and Excel will automatically extract the numbers from the entire column instantly. If you want to undo it, simply press Ctrl Z. You can also use Flash Fill from the Data tab. Go to the Data Tools group and click on Flash Fill. If your data is mixed or Flash Fill doesn't recognize the pattern correctly, just type the correct number in the second cell as well. This helps Excel understand the pattern better and extract all numbers accurately. Thanks for watching.